Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW i3 versus the BMW i3. We'll explore their key differences in performance, handling, and overall driving experience to help you decide which electric vehicle best suits your needs. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice, so let's dive into the specifics of each model right away. When it comes to performance, the i3s offers a noticeable upgrade. While the standard i3 is already quite zippy, the i3s provides an extra 11 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque. This translates to a quicker sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour, making the i3s feel more responsive and engaging, especially in city driving or when merging onto highways. Both are fun, but the i3s has an edge. Beyond raw power, the i3s distinguishes itself with enhanced handling. It features a sport-tuned suspension, which lowers the car by 10 millimeters and provides a firmer ride. Coupled with wider tires, this setup significantly improves cornering stability and grip, offering a more dynamic driving experience. While both models share the innovative carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction, the i3's truly leans into its sporty character. Regarding range, both the i3 and i3s deliver similar electric driving distances, so that won't be a major deciding factor. However, the i3s generally comes with a higher price point due to its performance and handling upgrades. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether the extra power and sportier feel of the i3 justify the additional cost for your driving style. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.